What's up, guys? I'm Vincent.
And I'm Vanessa, and we love Easter.
And one activity that we love to do for Easter is colored eggs.
We are going to use the Snow Spill egg coloring kit.
We want to see if it's truly no spill.
I'm pretty sure we're going to have a spill.
First, bring the water to boil and make sure to use the white eggs.
Let's see what's inside the kit.
We got some gloves, some lids, food coloring, and some cups. We need to match up this line with this line. I am filling the container with warm water.
I'm getting the pink one.
I'll put in purple.
And I'll put in yellow. Now we just wait for the tablets to dissolve.
Pour about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Close enough. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
Hit my turn.
Gloves.
Make sure to use warm eggs so the color turns out better. Wow! I pushed it in too hard. I guess I proved that wrong. You really can still spill it.
Egg check time.
The longer they stay in the coloring cups, the stronger the color will be.
Let's see if I can actually get this egg out. I got it out. My precious egg.
I'm ready. Whoopsie. I guess I'll just do it from this. Yay! Let's do yellow. Thanks, brother. Wow. Yes. You down there. Now that's for you right there.
I like how bright the colors turned out.
Well, I can't tip the paint, so let's do it this way. I can't get this thing. Yay! Eggy!
Let's do another round of eggs. Oh, and Vanessa, don't spill it again.
Okay, brother. It's for pink. I get pink. Yellow one. Hey, yellow, let me go. Let me put in. Let me do that.
Yeah, look how solid this one is.
Yeah, the yellow turned out wonderful.
All the colors are bright and beautiful. I love them.
It is true, the longer they stay in the dye, the brighter the color.
Example, this one stayed longer and this one didn't. Me too. Which color is your favorite?
The purple.
I also like purple because all the different colors look so bright. That's a nice spinner.
Time for the egg war.
Okay, choose your color.
During the Easter lunch, we love doing the egg wars.
Aw, you bit me.
Yes.
I'm gonna break you.
Okay. It's colored inside. I don't think they're edible.
They are edible. It's time for the taste test.
No, I don't eat eggs. I'm gonna give it to my dad.
The eggs are delicious and nutritious, especially the colored ones. Well, here we're off somewhere, so I'll see you next time. Bye.
I'm back. See you next time, guys. Bye. Wait, take this egg. Why can't eggs tell jokes?
Because they're gonna crack themselves up.
Aww. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye. And we appreciate it.